Hey, good morning guys. It is currently about 2:30 in the morning. Another early start for us as we make our way to the Brisbane airport. So then we can set off on our next destination. So we've just packed our bags into the car and we're ready to go. Nico's still sleeping and yeah, we've got to see how he wakes up, but we'll get him up and get him into the car and we're on our way. Ciao. Hey guys, so we're currently at the Brisbane International Airport and as you can see our little plane's right there waiting for us to board. We're just about to board on and head over to Bali. We're super excited. The flight from here is about 6 hours, so it's definitely going to be a bit of a long one. We've been up since 2 AM this morning, so it already feels like it's been a long day. Should be right. We'll see you there. Ciao. So guys, we have finally made it here to Southeast Asia. Our first stop being here in Bali, Seminyak, where we're staying at the Harris Hotel. So we actually picked the Harris Hotel because it seems like it was pretty central to everywhere. It has a few different pools. I believe there's around 4 pools here, which is awesome. The kids have absolutely been loving the swimming. There's a restaurant, and then also a pizza pasta place downstairs. So 2 different kind of areas for food, which is very cool. The pizzas are like flame grilled, beautiful pizzas. I'd highly recommend it if that's what you and your kids are into. There's also a whole lot of like little cafes and eateries just across the road and down the road. There's a wide range of food there. They also actually provide a delivery service and like a little orange cart that they take you down to the beach or to Kayuaya, which is pretty much the eat street in the opposite direction. So very cool. It helps out quite a bit, especially with the kids. We had probably 2 days of resting here at the Seminyak Harris Hotel, just because you know, we're trying to immune ourselves to the humidity. The heat here compared to New Zealand, where we come from, is completely different. So yeah, it was a bit of a shock to our systems, especially the boys. But hey, the Harris Hotel, I would highly recommend it. It was super clean. They did a cleaning service every day. And they also actually dropped off a couple of bottles of water, which was awesome. The staff are really nice. The bed was good. The Wi-Fi was pretty average. Yeah, if there's anything that you guys have questions about, let us know in the comment section down below, and we can try help out with either answering some of your questions or maybe even listing up a new vid about, you know, more specifics. Otherwise, we'll catch up with you guys soon in the next vid. Ciao. See you. I have a monkey on my back, team. And by the way guys, I don't know if you realised, but I did have a bit of a shave the other day. I've already got a bit of a stubble coming back, which isn't bad, but it looks a bit cleaner than the mess that I set off with.